Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another series of Aspire to Inspire. And आज जो मेरे साथ यहाँ पर है वो बहुत ही मेरी एक पुरानी दोस्त भी है एंड वेरी वंडरफुल लेडी जो मुझे जब वो मेरी 10, 15, 17 इयर्स बैक से मैं उनको जानती हूँ तब भी इंस्पायर करती थी और आज तो बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर करती है. I really welcome you, Sumita ji, on the show, and I'm so glad that you agreed to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, Meeta. This is an honor for me. It's actually an honor. Thank you so much.
आप इतना वर्क करते हो एंड आई वुड लाइक टू टेल एवरीबडी दैट सुमिता जी इज द फाउंडर ऑफ ज्ञानदीप ग्रोथ फाउंडेशन which has been there for more than 10 years. ज्ञानदीप ग्रोथ फाउंडेशन के बारे में मुझसे ज्यादा यही बताएगी, तो आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट कि आप कुछ ज्ञानदीप ग्रोथ फाउंडेशन के बारे में बताएं.
Gyandeep Growth Foundation, was registered just 2 years back, but I'll share a small story of how it started. When my children in 2005 and 6, both of them went for further studies. It was like an empty nest syndrome. And my maid's daughter, Meenu, she was the first student in Gyandeep. So she told me she is not going to school and she was 9 years old. And I fought for her admission and, got her documents made. And in that process, I learned a lot about the government schools, and I could see that, it's like the works in those schools. So she got admission in class 2, but the principal and the teachers of the school, they took a commitment from me that we will not be able to start from scratch. So you have to help. And I took that challenge, and I used to sit with her in the afternoons and teach her. So it started like that. And after that, my maid, he said, I have 3 grandchildren. You are sitting every afternoon, so why don't you teach them also? And 3 children came, and then 3 more, and it was 7, 8 children, and I would sit with them every afternoon. And it went on like this for, I think, 2 years that I was teaching them alone.
Right.
But after that, the results showed, and then more children kept coming in. And then it was, God sent. We had our neighbors, our friends who joined in, and Gyandeep kept growing. So we have Mrs. Shashi Jain. I don't know whether you know her. So she read about, Shilpa published it in Samvad, and Shashi Didi read about it. She just came to see what we do. And she kept coming, and she structured and gave it a name also, Gyandeep came from her. Because she saw we were sitting with children in a haphazard way, and, just we were all there. I was helping them, but she was experienced. She had founded Bachpan, and she, I learned a lot from her. She gave a lot of inspiration in terms of how to handle children, how to be firm. And then we were more organized. So this way, and we also got opportunities to go out. We attended the World Book Fairs, the Delhi Book Fairs, and our children performed in those platforms. We kept growing like that, and the challenges were quite a lot, but every day was a new day for us.
Right. So that is, and I know आपके पास अभी लॉकडाउन से पहले बहुत सारे बच्चे आ रहे थे एवरी डे. सो जो भी बच्चे आते हैं वो आपसे apart from education, आप you help in overall development and growth and
Yes, yes.
personality also.
It starts with the behavior of every child, you know, that's how we begin. And they become part of our family, and they change a lot, and it grows like this. So in this story, I mean, I would like to continue because
Yes.
Shashi Didi joined us in 2010,
Hmm.
and we were a little more organized, a little more structured. We started growing step by step, and then more and more volunteers came in. Like what happened was, we were three, four of us, and children kept coming, and we wouldn't say no. So this, I mean, Gandhi happens in our backyard, and we could accommodate up to, you know, 30, 40 children also. But beyond that, it was not easy. And sometimes we had 30 children and just four volunteers. So we used to sit with them, try to make them study, but it was a challenge. We don't know how to take it further.
Right.
So it just happens that, you know, with the word of mouth, our friends, neighbors, they also saw what we're doing, and lots of people come to help, and it's growing. But
Right.
the very nice thing is that my best friends and my neighbors who are here, each one of them admired what we do, and they are helping in every way. So Anjali, whom you spoke to today,
Yes.
she, Sunila ji, and me. I mean, we got together, and you know, then we decided that we should make it even more structured and more organized. So three of us decided that we will get it registered, and you know, make it even better.
Right.
So it's like basically the team which is the most important thing, and that's our strength.
That's your strength. Hanji.
Yeah. So when, you know, when we have something coming up and I'll say, no, I don't think we can do this, Anjali is the one who will say, Sumita, there is no, we have to try it. And after that, you know, we'll say, okay, let's try it. And then it works. It's just that I think the strength or the courage we give each other, it works like this. Sunila ji is the one who motivates both of us. She puts in so much discipline in the children, and it's just magic, I can say.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Leena is a very dear friend. You know, we were short of volunteers, and her children had also gone to study further. So she was free, and we had this from a private school contacted us, and I don't know how, but they saw our children and our work. So they told us, they said, we have vacancy into our EWS quota. So we would like to have some of your children into our school. So that was a very, very big achievement for us. I mean, we were
Absolutely.
thinking whether our children will be able to cope into a private school. So we
Right.
discussed with them, and 12 of our children got admission after giving an entrance exam into that school. And today they are like average children. I mean, that's a very big achievement. They are average children into a proper private school.
That is
So
amazing.
yeah. So those children, you know, needed extra attention. They couldn't fit in with all the other children because they needed one-to-one education. So Leena, I mean, we just called her and she said, yes, I will teach them. So they go to her house and study in her house separately with her. And similarly, there are other volunteers in Green Park who are teaching a lot of children in their houses.
That
That
is so nice. So all these things have a rippling effect, like it just goes on and on. Yes, it's so nice to hear that. I didn't know about this. And I would like to thank a few of our viewers, Isha, Seema ji, Kusumanti, Suresh ji, and Binay. And Neerja ji, thank you for being here, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you for being here, Leena, Nalini ji, Devinder. So it's really nice. And I would really like to share, just a second. I would really like to say that divinity is a gift given to everybody, but very few people take out time to open that gift. And you're one of those people who've really gone out and helped everybody. That's really amazing.
God has given that opportunity. I can just say that. And the support of my family is the most important thing here.
Yes.
My father-in-law, I mean, this happens in the afternoon in our backyard.
Right.
So that's the time when he takes his nap, and we are all making such a noise, just outside his room. But he loves it. The day we don't have a class, he'll say, "Aaj maza nahi aaya." So that inspires me.
Yes. And your work inspires a lot of people in Green Park. And beyond that, also, I would like to share that I am staying in Green Park, very close to Sumita ji's house. And whole Green Park knows about Gyandeep. Whole Green Park loves Gyandeep and the amazing festivals and the amazing faiths that she has with the Gyandeep Growth Foundation. वो मस्ट है पूरे ग्रीन पार्क को वहां उनके दिवाली मेले में जाना और मस्ती करना.
That is our achievement. That is actually our achievement.
Yes. Everything is a feather in Gyandeep's hat. It's
that it's part of thing. I mean, our neighbors are so cooperative. Otherwise, children make so much noise, and slowly we have kind of spread into the service lane. We beautified the lane, and now we sit there and study. So sometimes there is a lot of noise, and people are sleeping at that time, and we are scared. Someone may object. So we keep going to meet them and keep apologizing, but they just say, I mean, you're doing such good work. We don't have any problem.
Yes. There must have been some challenges that you must have faced. Initially, maybe, and I'm sure even now.
Yeah, every day is a challenge. I mean, we plan something to do with the children, and we are so ready for it. But the children won't turn up, or it may start raining. Since we are outside, and we have to kind of just do away with that plan. So these things are challenges. But yes, we do have challenges. But before it becomes a problem, I think the solution just comes. I'll just give you a few examples. Of late, we've had 65 children, and we were around 12 volunteers, out of which, see, this is a absolutely voluntary thing, and everyone leaves their house and comes here to help. So it's not something which is binding. It's just something which the love brings you here, or you like it, so you come here. So we are around 12 of us and 7 core members who are always there for the children. But 65 children in 7 or 10 people, we cannot, do justice to education.
Right.
So we've been, we kept thinking, how are we going to do justice, and how is it going to be possible? The child has to study. We are here. We are responsible for that. So while we discussed this, there was a phone call from an NGO called Connecting Dreams Foundation. They said, you are doing this work, and we are into connecting volunteers to NGOs. And we have students from Gargi College, from other colleges who want to do social service, and they will teach children. So, do you need volunteers? I mean, what else do we
What?
want? And today, like it's been since January, we've signed up with them, and we have 65 children and we have 65 volunteers. One
Wow.
child and one volunteer.
Wow,
So
that is so impressive and amazing.
it is. It is. I mean, we think of something and it just happens. So we just feel thankful for that. And there, I'll tell you one more story about. We have a skill development programs which we do with our children. So we have summer workshops, and prior to the Diwali Mela, we sit and do a lot of crafts work with the children. So last year during the summer workshops, I mean, we've been doing it from home, but now that place is not enough because the scale is large. So we thought, we've got to see some place to conduct workshops. We need to do something. And the same day, we got a call from General Nikhil Kumar, who lives in our colony, that I have a basement. If you need it for any purpose, please use it. Again, same time when we are looking for something, you get it without asking for it. So it's all God sent.
That is really nice. And I'm so glad for this because I have myself seen Gyandeep grow and grow. And when you go there, it is such a positive feeling and everybody's so nice, and the children are so welcoming and warm. It's really amazing.
It's so nice to hear from you. Yes.
And really would like to share कि ये मुझे भी कल ही पता चला जब मैं आप इनसे बात कर रही थी फोन पे. आई थॉट अभी लॉकडाउन टाइम्स पे ज्ञानदीप ग्रोथ फाउंडेशन में सब अपने घर ही होंगे, लेकिन जब इन्होंने मुझे इतने अमेजिंगली बताया दैट ऑल द चिल्ड्रन आर टेकिंग क्लासेस ऑनलाइन, it is really a big achievement.
It is, I mean, again, they are getting work from school. They have holiday homework. The classes were happening in March and in April also from their schools. So we spoke to the principals, we spoke to the teachers, and they all said, yes, we are giving them work, and each child is supposed to do online work. And I mean, we sat together again and we said this challenge also we need to somehow overcome. And we raised funds. First, we provided ration, we provided books, and everybody was kind enough, and we got the funds. And we provided phones to 35 families. So every child has a device and is able to study online. We've put parental controls and they cannot misuse it. We've also, trained the parents that how they should use the phones. We have Zoom meetings, classrooms. We have English speaking classes. We have activities, weekend activities where we teach them art and craft, storytelling. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. In fact, we are working more than before, and that's all.
And I genuinely, I could not imagine कि ये हो रहा होगा इस time पर.
Same here. I couldn't imagine myself, but every day, we are learning new things, and thanks to the new volunteers, the college students, they are amazing. They are so sensible and they teach us much. What happens is they are young girls and they are more tech savvy. They are so we always felt, हम लोग तो बूढ़े हो गए, हमको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. But they'll say, ma'am, we are also learning. And then we say, Ari, if they are learning, we can also learn.
Yeah.
And we also have very good collaborators like Minds at Play is a NGO who has a emotional curriculum for them. So they used to come once a week to Gyandeep and conduct classes for them. Now they are doing it online.
Wow.
So अभी जैसे mental stress भी सबको ज़्यादा हो रही है, तो उसमें भी they are taking care of everything and they are working with us. It's really amazing.
Absolutely. So many people coming together and doing such good work.
I mean, lots of work is happening, and yeah, when we see the result, we feel happy. Yes, we are doing good.
Good. That is really nice. Can you tell me something that you love about Gyandeep?
Gyandeep is my baby. I love everything about Gyandeep. But yes, I'll tell you the values which we are able to inculcate and the confidence which we are able to give the children is something which I really feel proud of.
Right. And that is something they will carry. It's not for a period ki 1 saal, 2 saal, matlab whatever
For life, yeah.
it's for life.
Yeah.
It's really, really inspiring. So,
Thank you so much.
and I would love to hear some naughty stories about the children, if you would share some.
I'll share today's naughty stories because actually today what happened was I put it up on my status and Anjali also shared it with all the Gyandeep groups. Like we have a children's WhatsApp group.
Hanji.
So they said we want to see you live and the parental control doesn't allow Facebook on the phone. So Didi, we want to see you. So please give us permission. I said, no, we are not giving you permission. You see it on your parents' phone. So this was, and then पर अभी तक मुझे मैसेज आ रहे थे, दीदी अच्छा करना, बहुत अच्छा करना, all the best. I mean, they made me feel like it's going to be an exam.
And they'll be so happy to see you here and like आप इतने shy हो, I know आप ज़्यादा बोलते भी नहीं हो, आगे भी नहीं आना चाहते, but it's always nice to see जिनसे हम inspiration लेते हैं वो आगे आते, so that gives all of us also a lot of confidence. So, so some kids जो बहुत पहले आते थे, मतलब what is the age group ज्ञानदीप में जो बच्चे आपके पास आते हैं?
अभी जो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, they are between 6 and 16. We have two girls who are 18 and 19 also.
Okay.
Initially, we used to have up to class 5. The aim was to make them literate. Right. Now the aim is to, make them independent. So yes. Our aim has also changed. Yes.
Right. And do the older students of Gyandeep help the younger students?
Yes, that is a policy. I mean, every child in Gyandeep helps the younger one.
Wow. That is so, giving back also and getting back also.
Yes. And they are always ready to help. I mean, you see them anywhere. When you're walking in the morning, you see them in the colony, they'll greet you and they'll ask you, so many things. It's amazing.
Yes. So most of
one large family.
So most of the children must be around Green Park and in and around Green Park.
Yes. Most of them are, but a lot of them come from Badarpur, Chhatarpur. All their parents work in Green Park. So they come along with them, study in schools in Green Park, and then come to us in the afternoon.
Okay. So जब भी आप तो निकलते होगे Green Park में, I'm sure every nook and corner.
Yes, all of us. I mean, all friends, everyone. Like even if my husband is going for a walk in the morning, Uncle ji, namaste, good morning. It's like.
Yes. So, आपकी जो core team, like आप ज्ञानदीप में, like who all are really there throughout the day? I mean, throughout the.
So we are 7 of us who include Sunila ji, Anjali, Nirja ji, Priya, Nalini, Leena, and myself. So
Okay.
7 of us discussed everything. We used to be 3 of us who started it, Anjali,
Right.
Sunila ji, and me, and now we are 7 of us. We discuss everything and then we take it further.
Okay. That
So
is.
we
And
every day, sorry,
नहीं, sorry, आप बोलिए.
yeah, next please.
So, and most of the children जो ज्ञानदीप में आ रहे हैं, like basically they are going to the morning school and then coming for a support system. And now, luckily, everybody is going to schools and coming for a support
Yes,
system, and I'm
we
sure performing very well there.
yes, the government schools, our children are doing really well. I mean, they are the toppers because
Wow.
every time there's an annual function, we are invited and we see the medals in with all of them.
Right.
And in private schools, they are average children.
Right, right. But it is really, I mean, really commendable कि वो लोग सब मिलके इतना अच्छा work कर पा रहे हैं. It's very difficult. I know I've been to a lot of private schools as teachers off and on. So to compete with those children, it's very tough.
Very difficult. And they are doing it. They are taking up the challenge. And it takes time in the beginning, but now they are able to cope.
So apart from your own core team and the other volunteers, which are the other organizations that are helping you in Gandhi Growth Foundation?
So we have Bachpan, which was started by Shashi Didi, and they've been giving us lots of platforms. We
Right.
have Consumers India, we have Youth for Seva, who give us opportunity and volunteers.
Okay.
And we have Connecting Dreams Foundation, we have Minds at Play. So lots of, in fact, I mean, we are open to taking help from everybody. This is
Yes.
one thing which, my husband had always been teaching me, I can say. I mean, I took that inspiration from him, that take help from everywhere. So, we are open to help from anywhere. जो हमें help करने को तैयार है, हम उसकी help ले रहे हैं. Because, we want everything. Our children need everything.
I know, that is really such a nice, beautiful concept because हम लोग कभी कभी हेल्प करना चाहते हैं पर हेल्प लेना नहीं चाहते, बट हम दोनों चीजों को अगर कंबाइन कर लेते हैं तो हेल्प मल्टीफोल्ड हो जाती है हर डायरेक्शन.
और ये बच्चे ऐसे हैं, उनको प्यार तो चाहिए लेकिन हर चीज चाहिए. जो भी हमें पूछता है ना, हाउ कैन आई कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट, तो आई विल ऑलवेज से गिव अस योर टाइम. ईच वन हैज समथिंग वेरी गुड इन हिमसेल्फ, लाइक so each one of us can contribute. हर एक में कुछ ना कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. And I actually tell everybody, you are the best. So
yes, because they're best in being themselves.
Yes, you won't believe it. I mean, I just became a grandmother 4 months back.
Congratulations.
So, thank you. So when I held my grandson, first thing I told him was, Rayan, you are the best. So this is something which I would tell everyone, you are the best.
Yes, I know, what a nice feeling. So even in my organization, sometimes we really think कि हम क्या करें, या मैंने कुछ नहीं करा, मैंने तो इसको कुछ सिखाया नहीं था. So what have I done? So sometimes जैसे आप बोलते you are the best, I always feel कि how I hold on to my children are just being there. Sometimes children don't need anything. They just want somebody to be there with them.
Yeah, they just need love. Yes.
So it is बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. अब मैं आपसे कुछ क्विक क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकती हूँ. Rapid fire, which your children would have loved to ask you.
Yeah, my children will see this.
And now I'm sure everyone would want to take your interview. So मैंने सब बच्चों को आइडिया दे दिया है. Everybody, ये holiday homework भी हो सकता है. That they will interview
That
you.
will be difficult. Yes. Okay.
So how would you describe yourself in one word?
Positive.
Yes, undoubtedly. And any book which you've lately read or you like to read?
The Alchemist.
Okay, that's a difficult one. I haven't read it yet, but I've been wanting to read it. So now
It's a
this
very good book, yes.
अब मैं भी इंस्पायर हो गई ये पढ़ने के लिए. And strength of any organization. What do you feel is the strength of not just Gyandeep but any organization according to you?
The people.
Right. Yes. And so nice. I mean, like आपने ना बहुत अच्छी एक बात बोली जो मैं सोच रही थी जब मैंने ये क्वेश्चन लिखा था. मुझे लगा था कि आप बोलोगे द टीम, the core team, this team, but what you said is the people, because the whole organization is about all the people.
All the people, yes.
Yeah. So sometimes but
I can't hear you, Meeta. I can't hear you.
yes, I think रुकावट के लिए खेद है आ गया था.
Okay.
Yes, and so मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका आंसर क्योंकि मैंने पक्का सोचा था कि आप टीम बोलेंगे. And
Okay.
how would you describe Gyandeep in one word?
Happiness.
Oh, lovely. Yes. So I would love to. I'm good. जैसे ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होएगा मैं आपके पास आऊंगी for a cup of tea so we can hear more stories.
So I have one, if you have time, I can just tell you
Yes,
one more
yes.
thing, which is one of our students today, she's, I'll just tell you a small story of
Please do.
her. She came to us when she was just 4 years old. A friend of mine brought her to Gyandeep and said that there's a construction work happening next to her house, and she's a daughter of the guard there. And from taking her to the school, getting her admission, and then she would come to us in the afternoons. She studied in Gargi school for some years, and then she's a very bright child. After a few years, when we got this opportunity, she got into the EWS quota in the private school. She's doing really well, and she speaks fluent English. Today, when we posted about this interview in the children's group, she had multiple questions. And then she said, Didi, who is Meeta Nagpal? I would like to meet her. So I've promised her and that once the lockdown is over, Meeta ji will come to us and she will meet all of you. So she
Yes.
also messaged me separately that we've been having classes online, so why can't she come online? So I said I'm going to convey this to her.
No, that is so sweet and so nice, and I'm looking forward to meeting everybody. मैं पक्का से जल्दी से आऊँ.
Yes, we'll do something, maybe some online thing, and we'll invite you to Gyandeep one day.
Definitely, it'll be a pleasure. And thank you so much for being here. And like, I would really like to say that do things for people, not because for what they are or what they would do in return, but because of what you are. And you are truly an inspirational person. And
Thank
3
you,
years
Meeta.
And really
Thank you
three cheers
so
for
much.
Gabby.
I think it's likewise. We both admire each other in the same way. I love the work you do.
I think something wrong, so we'll take leave now. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Nice talking to you, and thank you for
Cheers
having
for
me
the
here.
Gabby team.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
Yes,
Bye.
hip hip hooray.
Hooray.
Bye-bye.
Bye.